Okay, YouTubers, got a quick video. This is for the heat. Right here, these knobs not working properly. You might get it all the way on a 2002 Buick Rendezvous, and then your heat's not blowing. Easy fix. First, start with this. If this solves your issue, then you don't have to worry about anything else. Up here, this is passenger side. There's a glove box. You pull this panel out. There's a clip there, clip there. That right there is your blower motor. And this line, right here. And I'm trying to figure out how I can do this one-handed. Okay, let's see. See this? Okay. Let's see. That's your blower motor. This line right here runs back to your module 9 out of 10 times. This is your solution. Make sure this line is clipped up in the back there. That's it. Take care.